What's up, y'all? It's your guy right here, Micaiah the pharmacist, Free Haven Farms. Yo, everything's growing beautiful out here. I'll show you up close, just a little something. Collard greens up under here. You see these leaves, looking amazing, doing what they do. I want to talk to you about this right here, okay? This is an egg case for a praying mantis. See, that's what I'm talking about. All right, you might just throw it away and think it's nothing. This is very important to me. Egg casing for praying mantis. I got 5 of them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These egg casings that we just found, and I wanted to make sure we didn't accidentally destroy them. That means that we're building our ecosystem. When we first moved out here and started setting up this farm, we would only see praying mantis once in a while. Now we see them more and more every year. Right here, 5 egg casings in one little patch lets me know they really coming. If you see these, don't get rid of them. Hold on to them, put them in a safe spot. Nature gonna take care of the rest. You could even buy like the egg cases for the praying mantis. But what I say is even better is if you could just create a conducive environment for the good bugs to be on your farm. Stay rooted, keep growing. Bless.